वेलकम बैक टू लिंगोरियल। तो कैसे आप सब लोग? उम्मीद है ठीक होंगे अल्लाह के फजलो करम से। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले आई हैव अ रिक्वेस्ट, अ हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट। काइंडली सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन। Today our topic of discussion is how can we say happy birthday in different ways, and how can we say happy birthday to you instead of using this phrase. So let's start now. First one is many happy returns of the day. Many happy returns of the day. Many happy returns of the day. Second one is have a great one. Have a great one. Repeat it. Have a great one. Instead of have a grateful day, we can say हैव अ ग्रेट वन। हैव अ ग्रेट वन हम तब यूज़ कर सकते हैं जब नेक्स्ट पर्सन को ये पता हो कि हम उसकी बर्थडे के रिलेटेड ही बात कर रहे हैं। ओके, थर्ड वन इज़ विशिंग यू अ डे दैट इज़ एज स्पेशल एज यू आर। विशिंग यू अ डे दैट इज़ एज स्पेशल एज यू आर। नेक्स्ट वन इज़ आई विश यू अ वंडरफुल बर्थडे। आई विश यू अ वंडरफुल बर्थडे। आई विश यू अ वंडरफुल बर्थडे। Fifth one is have a fabulous one. Have a fabulous one. Repeat with me. Have a fabulous one. Next one is million magic wishes for you. Million magic wishes for you. Repeat it. Million magic wishes for you. Next, wishing you the abundance of fun and glory. Wishing you the abundance of fun and glory. Next one is enjoy your special day. Enjoy your special day. Repeat it. Enjoy your special day. Next, hope you have an enjoyable birthday. You deserve it. Hope you have an enjoyable birthday. You deserve it. Repeat it. Hope you have an enjoyable birthday. You deserve it. Last but not least, it may be your birthday, but you are a gift to me. It may be your birthday, but you are a gift to me. Repeat it. It may be your birthday, but you are a gift to me. Okay, last message is as usual, don't give much importance to English language. Be proud of your language, be proud of yourself, and be proud of the language your forefathers and ancestors spoke. Pakistan Zindabad. Allah Hafiz.